Hello everyone, welcome to our Porta cabin. We got this made by ALBDEEOO and they've done a really good job. So our requirement was we already had an existing room and we wanted to add another bigger room to the side of it, and we approached them and they were really proactive. They gave us a plan, they gave us a detailed explanation of how they will go about it. The work was done within the timeline they specified and they've done a really good job. As you can have a look around.
Celle qui me délivre, les avoir puissance absolue. Quand je suis arrivé, les petits se sont demandés ce qui se passe au haut. Tellement les petits a beaucoup d'inspiration pour déranger. Et les petits sont pour danser, et les petits sont pour bouger.
Right. Like I was mentioning, that we are really satisfied with the work. So this is the facade of the room, as you can see. So we got this entire paneling with all these lights, the windows and the doors. We even had a very specific requirement regarding, sort of a shed to be made, because the room is sort of away from the entrance. So for sunlight and rain cover. So they even added this panel for us, and it's looking a part of the whole ceiling.